Hello everyone, I am back with my own DIY black soap shampoo. So I decided to make this black soap shampoo because I couldn't find anyone on the market. I did find some that were watered down. My original favorite one was one from Shea Moisture, but Shea Moisture has since discontinued it. So I decided to simply just make my own. I am from a culture of black soap, so why not? So let's get to it. So I do have two types of black soap right here. If you ask where I got it from, this came straight from Togo. Every time somebody come to visit, they did bring me some black soap. So I start by just cutting it. You can use like a grater to grate it and then shred it into finer shreds, but I didn't have one, so I just decided to cut mine in pieces. And once all of that is done, I just put it in a bowl right here and I add a little bit of water to it. So I start by adding just a little bit of water because I got tired of buying watered down black soap shampoo. So if I'm going to make my own, I might as well make it concentrated and potent, as I have like an abundant amount of black soap. So why not? So I just add a little bit of water to it and I stir it up and I let it sit and I let it slowly melt. Like I don't do anything to rush it. The water that's been added to it is just room temperature water. Black soap already has like so many oils in it. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. It's really great for dandruff and it also promotes hair growth. After a few days, the black soap did melt in the water and it was so concentrated to the point where it couldn't melt anymore because the water was so saturated. So I ended up having to add just a little bit more water so I can finish melting the rest of the soap. And here it is now completely melted. There's no more clumps, there's no soap in it. Everything has been melted and you can see all the wonderful oils on the surface. It just looks so rich and I can't wait to wash my hair with this goodness. Because this is made of black soap and of course it is made out of some sort of ash, I have to clean it a little bit. So I start by letting it sit a little bit and then I pour it into another container just to have the ashes at the bottom, just to strain it and not have it. You can use like a gauze or a cheesecloth to strain it, but I opted out of doing that. Look at that, all the ashes at the bottom of the bowl. So I opted out of using a cloth or anything to strain it because the black soup is so concentrated. And by using something to strain it, I'm going to probably end up straining the soap out of it. So I do add a little bit of lemongrass, which you can see here. And I also added lavender, rosemary, and tea tree essential oils, but that part got deleted. And then I proceed by just filling up some bottles that I have. So my idea was to try three type of bottles to see which application will work better for me. So I ended up doing a spray bottle, a nozzle tip bottle, and then a regular shampoo bottle that we're used to seeing. And here's the final result, that richy goodness in a bottle. And of course, I have to try it on my hair, right? I just couldn't wait to try the shampoo in a spray bottle, and I have to say, this is my favorite type of bottle. because of the application, and I found that that would be perfect for like loose natural or anybody that wear braids, because I wear braids a lot. I can go straight to the scalp, and because the soap doesn't have like any thickener, I want to avoid just wasting it. So with a nozzle, with a spray bottle, I can just spray it straight on my scalp. So one wash was great, but I decided to do just a second wash, and look at that. My coils and kinks are so well defined. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.